Long ago, before computers and phones, people dreamed of a machine that could write faster than a pen. In 1868, a man named Christopher Latham Sholes, who worked in a newspaper, made the first useful typewriter. It was called the Sholes and Glidden. This machine gave us the QWERTY keyboard, the same pattern of letters we still use on our laptops and phones today. Soon, typewriters became very popular. Offices were filled with the sound of click-clack keys. They made work faster, later easier, and even gave many women new job opportunities. Today, typewriters are no longer used every day, but they are still loved. They remind us of a time when every story, every legend, and every idea began with the magic sound of the keys hitting paper.